back at Langley.
Gecko was right. You are crazy.
I'm making a difference. Ain't no red tape out here.
Dagger 1-3 actual. This is Sergeant Ty. We just saw your handiwork. Airspace is clear for our pilots. Alright, now it's the main event. We have 4 hypersonics to disable, each carrying an NXC warhead. These missiles travel at Mach 5 with an intermediate range between 620 and 3,700 miles. Simply put, once launched, they could hit mainland Europe within 30 minutes. Coming up on that ridge is our overlook. Beyond, a PAX outpost.
Right up there.
Once past the outpost, we'll need you to target the base as part of our air interdiction strategy. Taking out PAX's reserve of vehicle depots and supplies. Once complete, it's a straight run to the base from there.
Copy that. You heard Ty. Ready up.
Road ends here.
All right, shooters. Dismount. We walk from here.
PAX patrol up ahead.
Dagger will proceed with a frontal assault. Pull back. Follow our lead.
Roger that. See you on the other side, Murphy.
All right, team. Head on attack.
You say I'm crazy.
Let's move.
Copy.
Roger that. Covering!
Hostiles all over the place! Under fire! Changing out!
Need to reload. Cover me.
Sharpshooters down!
Fountain! Shit, fire!
We need backup now!
Drop ammo. Could use this.
Firing! Jumper! Keep hammering! We have visuals on them!
Push back! We're losing!
Engineer, KIA.
Come ashore! On your right! Launcher! 60 meters! Low position!
MG down.
4 o'clock! MG! Long range! Low position!
Gecko's down!
I need help! I'm hit! I'm hit!
Patching you up.
Front! Sniper! Knocking up those heats.
Who's got ammo? You're a lifesaver. Cover fire! Cover fire!
Keep them off me! Stay outside!
Sniper neutralized.
We're overrun!
Go, go, go! Jesus! Front launcher at distance. Low position.
On the move!
RPG incoming. I'm reloading. Who's got ammo? Keep moving.
Get back!
Reloading.
Take them down!
Taking fire! Need help!
Hostiles all over the place!
Marksman.
Tango above down. Sniper eliminated.
Reloading!
Front sniper at distance.
Stay low and keep moving!
Keep going. Don't let up.
10 o'clock! Marksman! 50 meters! Engaging! Engage! Taking fire! Covering! I'm under fire! Keep moving!
Cover me. Reloading.
Cover me while I reload!
What's next, Ty?
Your team will focus on the silos and the Alpha and Bravo zones. We'll take Charlie and Delta.
Roger that.
Once they're all disabled, we regroup at the bunker. Good luck, Dagger.
Gotta love a challenge.
Gecko, call it in.
Viper 1-1, this is Dagger 1-3, actual. Targets in place for attack aviation, over.
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, on approach.
Copy that, Viper. Air support inbound.
What about the silos? Got a visual?
4 confirmed.
Like the briefing said.
Doesn't hurt to be sure. You 3-letter guys never do your due diligence?
That's our cue.
Artillery barrage!
Jesus! Jesus!
Any station, we need some assistance in breaching the perimeter wall. Good copy! Armor coming through!
Changing loadout!
I'm reloading!
Send it to him, Dagger. Look out! The tower's coming down!
Get in!
MG down! The wall's destroyed! Dagger, on me!
Covering!
Keep moving! Front! Marksman! Long range! Lower ground!
Changing weapon!
Cover me while I reload! I've got spares. Here you go.
Front! MG! At distance!
I'm out!
Keep the pressure on! RPG spotted!
Hit! Enemy down!
Front! MG! 60 meters!
Oh, fuck yeah!
Shift fire! Front!
Covering!
Launcher! 50 meters!
I got you, I got you. Yeah, got
Keep
this.
moving!
Fast. You go.
Dagger, we're advancing past the perimeter.
Copy. Through the wall!
North! 80! Front! MG! Long range!
Elevated target eliminated!
We've got wounded! We're overrun!
Cover me!
Horseman! 30 meters!
Reloading! Swapping loadout!
We have backup!
Marksman down!
Initiate combat! Enemy in cover! Front! Sniper! 50 meters!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Target moving!
Reloading!
Cover me while I reload!
Ty, sit rep.
Packs are swarming us. Progress to Charlie is slow.
Copy that, Quebec. We're closing in on Alpha.
Copy. Make contact once you've reached the first silo.
Front! MG! 30 meters!
Shotgun is down!
Ammo!
Need a reload! Cover me!
Grenade! Inbound! Target moving!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Get into position!
Our Air Force has been hard at work.
Fuel tanks, planes, they've got no runway.
And even if they did, they don't have ATC anymore.
Couldn't have happened if we hadn't taken down their network.
It's given us the edge, no doubt about it.
Come on!
Ammo over there.
Front! Sniper! 60 meters! Top side! Keep away from the fuel tanks. They could still go up. Stay low! Keep moving! I'm moving! On your left! MG! 50 meters!
Shotgun is down!
11 o'clock! Marksman! 50 meters! Up high! Suppression
fire! Reloading!
We've got wounded here!
Front, marksman, 30 meters, elevated.
Hold on there! Go! Need ammo! I'm fucking heavy fire!
Marksman eliminated!
Move, now!
Enemy! Flanking left!
Hostile using cover!
Heavy contact! Need support!
Reloading!
Moving! Suppressing fire! Front! Shot! 20 meters!
Direct hit.
Frenzy's been shot! Advance! Covering! Launch him out!
MG down!
Heavy fire!
Don't let him back down now! Heavy gunner down!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Set!
We're back. Status report.
We're still advancing on Charlie Silo. We're up against heavy resistance.
Viper 1-1 in your airspace. Confirm visual on one leaker. It's split past our defensive perimeter. It's on my 6. I can't shake it. Requesting immediate air support. Over. Mayday, mayday. Viper 1-1 is hit. Going down.
Holy shit!
Take that jet down!
Murphy, down!
Get a lock on the jet! Get to cover!
Again! Hit it again!
Contact!
Fire!
Woo! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Nice shooting, Murph.
We ain't out of the woods yet.
Come on. We've got to move on the NXC silo in Alpha.
Front, MG, 60 meters!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Front! MG! 30 meters!
MG down!
First silo up ahead.
Front! Sniper! 60 meters!
Get into position! What's in here?
Front! MG! On red! We've got wounded here!
Reloading!
We're gonna need this. Hold the line! Reloading! MG down!
Front, MG, 30 meters! Push forward!
Friendly's been shot! Front! Sniper! 30 meters! Sniper eliminated!
Don't Give him an
Sniper neutralized! Hemlock, that's the first missile. Make it fast.
Fuck! The NXC's mixing!
How long till operational?
Not long, cover me!
Covering!
I got security. If this one started, sure as shit the other ones have too.
Quebec, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger.
We got a situation here. The Alpha NXC is already mixing.
Roger that. We've reached Charlie. We'll confirm once it's down.
Done!
Let's move! First silo down, Ty. Moving on to Bravo.
Pack's activity is fierce. They're circling the silos. They know the missiles are our targets. Expect heavy resistance.
Copy that. Godspeed. Viking 5-2, dismount! We need that tank! Main battle tanks coming through! Weapons hot. Packs know we're coming.
Murphy! We've disabled NXC in Zone Charlie. It was close to being fully mixed. Time's against us.
Copy that, Ty. Hustle up. We ain't got long.
Front! Tank! 60 meters!
Take him down! I'm going in! Cover me!
Front! Launcher! 40 meters!
Engineer, KIA!
Hold them up much longer! On your left! Tank! 40 meters!
Cease! Shoot, 30 meters!
Suppression fire!
Front! Tank! Close!
On the line! Ground, by cover!
Two o'clock! Launcher! 40 meters! Front! Tank! 50 meters!
Bravo, up ahead!
Fuck, it's mixed. Murphy, the only option is to pierce the casing.
Will that work?
If we're lucky. If not, the nano compound will destabilize and obliterate us and everything within the area. Fuck.
Ty, the NXC at Bravo is fully mixed. If Delta's the same, you'll have to pierce the casing.
Understood.
You know what that might mean.
We know. Focus on you and yours, Murphy.
Hemlock, lower the launcher.
Mark, we got incoming!
Dagger, cover my six!
Got your back. Reloading!
Focus friendly!
Heavy gunner, eliminate!
Advance!
Hemlock, Do it.
Casing is pierced. Bravo down. God, we made it.
Final stretch, Dagger. Head to the bunker and regroup with Quebec there. After that, we can flush out Kincaid.
Briefing suggests control room.
Then that's where we're headed.
Come in, Dagger. Do you read?
We read you, Quebec. Report.
We've pierced the casing, but the pressure is rising.
If that missile launches, well...
It won't leave the ground.
Ty?
It was an honor serving with you, Dagger. Give him hell.
The honor was ours, Ty. Get to cover!
Keep pushing!
Taking heavy fire!
Taking heavy fire!
Murphy, do you copy? Over.
Eyes up. Mills, you're coming in broken but readable. Over.
Murphy, are you safe? What the hell's going on?
Quebec, all KIA, and others.
The NXCs?
The hypersonics are off the board.
Good. Kincaid should be in that bunker.
Why not level it? We've already knocked out the NXCs.
Negative. I need positive identification that the HVT is eliminated. Mills out.
Boss, what do we do?
We've run Kincaid to ground. Everything he's done, everything he took from us, it ends here. He's tested us, made us question each other and our place in this fight. The hell we've been through, the people we've lost. Let's not let that be in vain. We decide how this ends, not Pax. Always faithful?
Always forward.
Always forward.
There ain't nobody I'd rather be in this fight with. Y'all ready to finish this? Attack bound!
Visual on hostiles! Taking heavy losses!
Contact! Ammo over there.
Enemy! Pushing
Engaging!
On my six! Movement! Weapons hot! Tango above down! Cover me! Reloading! Throwing frag!
I hear them! I need cover fire! Reload!
8 o'clock!
We clear?
Clear's inside.
Room's clear. Damn it!
The way to the elevator's been destroyed.
Murph, that wall. We can set charges. Might lead us somewhere.
Yeah, right into a Pax mess hall.
It's worth a Hail Mary. Mills, route to the first level's blocked. We've gone through a wall on the right.
Follow the supply room round and head up the stairs.
Where'd we be if it weren't for blueprints?
Fucked, that's where.
Stay alert. Pax could be anywhere.
All this time, Pax was planning on launching NXC across mainland Europe.
Not just Europe. Who knows where else?
This is what they stand for. Chaos. Don't ever let that cloud your judgment.
It's never that simple.
This place is a damn maze.
With a rat waiting for us at the end of it.
How can you be sure?
He's not been anywhere else. This feels like Kincaid just waiting for us.
Contact! Front!
Reloading! Keep them open!
I'm dry! Need a reload!
Exposed! Shoot the shooting!
Shotgunner down!
We have...
Right between the eyes.
Clear of hostiles.
Southwest! Enemy spotted at long range!
Control room's on the next floor. We go up.
Come on, let's go!
We need to use the elevator.
Dagger, check your corners. Remember, he's a slippery bastard. No distractions. You get the shot, you take it. Copy?
Copy.
Whatever he throws at us up there, remember we still get to choose how it ends.
Get into position!
No quarter given, Marines. On my lead.
Taking casualties!
On your left! MG! 30 meters!
Tango eliminated!
Patch me up!
Hemlock needs a medic!
I'm hit! Need patching up!
Pin down!
Tango needs first aid!
I'm hit!
Weapon drag! Reloading! Need a Don't quit on here! Give it
You're
to
a
me,
lifesaver.
Dagger!
I can't make it! Need help!
Reloading! MG...
I'm hit!
Shotgunner down! Incendiary out!
Need a medic over here!
Stay with me!
Frag out! Grenade! Inbound! Appreciate it.
Stay with me!
I'm hit!
Behind cover! Closer!
10 o'clock! Drone up, Raider!
Position! Combat drone deployed!
Drone neutralized!
Drones in the sky!
Room clear!
Come on, Murph! He's through here!
Lope, Hemlock, provide cover for Gecko and me.
Hostile breach! Watch your flank!
No hesitation. You learned your lesson from the last time, eh, pal? Oh, Carter would be proud. Funny, guess some men just have to play the hero.
And some men just can't shut up!
Already been burned, pal. Got scars but feel nothing thanks to Carter. Although he got his though, didn't he?
Watch this piece of shit. Mills, confirm jackpot on Stonegate. Target is wounded but stable.
Tell Melissa the Gitter says hello.
You were told to shut up!
Shut this down, Murphy.
We're bringing him in.
He can't leave this facility.
Ask her why she wants me dead so bad. You're here to clean up her loose ends.
He's trying to get in your head. Same as Carter.
I'm her recruit. All this time Pax had the backing of the CIA, you dumb fuck.
Mills!
What the fuck are you talking about?
It was all her doing, along with her cronies. They needed a big bad.
He's lying.
And they fucking got one.
Georgia, Brooklyn, Carter. It's because of him. Dylan, we are doing our patriotic duty. This is how we stop this. This cannot happen again. It dies with him.
Our job is...
To follow orders. I'm ordering you, Marine, to finish the mission.
She'll bin you, just like me. You signed up to be a soldier, not a CIA hatchet man. Don't let patriotism get in the way of logic.
Dylan.
Secure him.
How long have you had an assassin on your team?
Hemlock.
Come on, you're all too smart to be dancing to her tune. What the fuck?
What is wrong with you?
Stonegate is down. He was reaching.
That knife. Mills. Mills, do you copy?
Bombers are here.
They're gonna level this place.
Kincaid said it. We're collateral.
She's gonna fucking burn us all.
Dagger, move! Now!
Air support, come in! Dagger 1-3 are still in the facility! Do you read?
Fuck! Comms are blocked!
It's Mills!
Through here! We gotta move! We gotta get the hell out of here!
They're coming in for a second drop!
Get in! Ask me later. We gotta go.
Go, go, go!
Come on. Jeez, you can feel the heat from here! Imagine the devastation if those hypersonics had launched!
We're not finished.
Mills!
She'll answer for this. All of it.
I've got a solution.
Fuck you! You just gunned down our solution.
It was never gonna be Kincaid. Men like him only care about chaos. He'd slit your throat rather than cooperate. We need another approach with Mills. And her allies.
Whether we like it or not, we're finishing this. Together.
You better hope she sings. Because Pax are gonna throw all they got at us. The brakes are off.
Yes, I have plans with impulse. Nearly a dozen. I'm their only lifeline, and Kincaid knew it. He sent a team to get the list and take them out.
Maybe. Or maybe the team was coming to extract you. You had a go bag packed and ready.
I always have a bag packed!
You tried to kill us.
No, that's
Are you gonna
not...
deny you sent B-21s to bomb us out of existence?
That was the hardest call I've ever had to make in my career.
You built Pax. You diverted the funds and trained the operatives to construct your own private army.
Not private. It was sanctioned. You think I built Pax alone? It's been building for a generation. Thanks to entrenched political powers, the military-industrial complex, and the CIA. All their interests came together. I'm a part of it, but still just a part. Our country thrives with a common enemy. It's what holds her together.
We've got no shortage of enemies.
No shit. It's too fucking messy. These guys consolidated every flag-burning, great Satan shouting death to America chanter on the planet into one bucket. That a whisper of nukes or NXC? And ain't that a bad guy we can all share?
Until one of your carefully cultivated assets takes over.
You want us to believe that the CIA created PAX?
Ask Hemlock. He knows.
Kiss my ass.
I think you tried to kill us because Kincaid was telling the truth. I think you're just tying up loose ends.
She's too dangerous to the country. The patriotic thing to do? Stack her like firewood, leave her for the cleanup crew.
I don't do executions.
We don't do executions.
Wait. Okay, my ops are still my ops. I'm the only one they'll talk to.
You sure they even still work for you?
Every person believed they were smarter than I am is no longer alive. And I've never had to pull a trigger. You must have arranged exfil through Hemlock's contingencies. They're probably in your ear right now telling you to take me in, but I'm telling you, if you take me in, they take me out.
That's all right.
What's the plan here, boss?
She helped create PAX. It was her man, Kincaid, who stole Project Velis. He was there because of her. He supplied PAX with NXC, and he tried to kill the president.
And he killed Haz.
Not only did she try to erase us, but she's best pals with the worst enemy that we've had in decades. Every breath that she draws is another opportunity to whisper into their ears.
Maybe, if it's just her, but we don't know how high it goes.
You trying to start a war with the CIA?
No, I'm trying to end one.
Then how is she useful to us?
That is not the fucking question!
Copy.
You just got the order, didn't you?
Boss?
It's official. I know what I gotta do. Everybody, move.
Stopped raining.
Storm's past.
No. It's just a break. Worst is still to come.
Murphy, just...
There's nothing left to say.